Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to create team code for students joining a team. So you don't need to add students into your class team manually. To create a team code, log into your team's account. Locate a class team and click the three dots next to team's name and select manage team. Click settings at the top. Go down and click team code. Click generate. Copy the team code and paste into a Blackboard announcement or email. You can also reset or remove the code. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.